Today you will know what are lists in Python. So lists are variables where you can put many other variables inside them. So with different types, integers, floats, strings, objects. And this is a list, an empty list. And here we will print the list. So let's execute the code containing this list and print it. You see, it's empty. And this is a list containing some examples. So let's execute the code again and see the list. So let's remove the element eggs from the list and print it. Execute the code. So you see, remove the list here. So let's print the first element of the list. So let's print the length of the list here.